In this video we'll walk through how to install SQL Server 2025 on Windows 10 or 11. Start by opening your web browser and search for Microsoft SQL Server. Open the official Microsoft website. Now scroll down to the SQL Server download section. You'll see different versions of SQL Server listed, but we will go with SQL Server 2025 Express because it is free version. Now scroll down and again click Download button below the SQL Server 2025 Express version. The setup file will start downloading. When file downloaded, right-click and open it. This launches the SQL Server 2025 setup. SQL Server will start. Choose the basic installation type. Accept the license terms. Review the default installation location, and select Install. Now the setup will download the required files and then it will start the installation. Wait until it finishes. When it's done, you'll see the connection string, log folder, media folder, and resources folder. Click Connect to confirm the installation. If the SQL Server window appears, everything is set up correctly. Next, we'll install SQL Server Management Studio SSMS, which gives you a user-friendly interface to work with SQL Server. Click Install SSMS from the setup window and you'll be redirected to Microsoft's site. Scroll down, here you will find link to download the SSMS installer. Click on it and it will start downloading. When the setup file finishes downloading, right-click and open it. Click Continue to start the setup. It will prepare the Visual Studio installer, download the components and then begin installing SSMS, so wait until it finishes. After installation, a new window will open. You'll see options such as AI assistance, hybrid tools, code tools, and business intelligence. Check all of them. The installation size is about 3.68 GB. Click Install and wait for it to finish. When the installation completes, restart your computer. After restarting, open SSMS from the Start menu. Since this is the first launch, choose Skip if prompted to add accounts. In the connection window, enter your server name and set it up as for your requirements. And that's it, we have successfully installed SQL Server 2025 on Windows 10 or 11. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share your feedback in the comments section.